To install the Shadow Kodi add-on, start by navigating to the System Settings in Kodi. Click on File Manager, then on the left, select Add Source. When prompted, click on None and enter the URL http magnetic.website repo. Name it Magnetic and click OK. Double-check your entries to ensure everything is correct. Now head back to the main menu and select Add-ons. Click on the Add-on Package Installer icon at the top left, then choose Install from Zip File. If you see a warning, click Yes, and make sure Unknown Sources is enabled. A box will pop up. Select Magnetic and click on Repository, Magnetic 1.1.0b.zip. Wait for the notification that the repository is installed. Next, click on Install from Repository, select Magnetic Repo, then go to Video Add-ons and find Shadow. Click Install and you're all set. Enjoy streaming with Shadow, where you'll find a treasure trove of content using your Real Debris account.